Let's take another look at an example where you can use DESMOS to help you out on the SAT, and you should be using this every single time you see a question like this. So this question here, it says, Elizabeth runs an interior decorating business. The table shows the exponential relations between time t and hours that she spends with a client and the total amount n in dollars that she charges a client. Which of the following equations best represents the relationship between t and n? Now, one thing about DESMOS is it does like you to use x and y. So you're going to always want to make sure that you're using x and y. So if it just says n and t, we're just going to think of n as y and t as x. So instead of this being t, we're just going to think of this as the x values and these as the y values. Now, just go ahead and create a table on this. So we click the little plus symbol, table, and we just are going to type these points in. So we had 0, 402, we had 1, 522.6, and then we had 2, and then 679.38. And so when you type those points in, this little regression button appears here, and we can click on that. And we're looking for, since it said exponential relationship, we wanted an exponential regression. So I click exponential regression. Hey, look at that. It gives me the equation y equals 402 times 1.3 to the x, which, if you just look at this out, choice D here, 1 plus 0.3 is 1.3. That's the exact same equation. You're done. No work needed. And this makes your life so much easier on the test. So if you haven't learned the full DESMOS strategies yet, again, highly recommend taking a lesson. Sign up beyondthetest.com and get a lesson. Learn these strategies because it's going to help you tremendously.